Falco is my company name. It's familiar, love, and confidence. Then I told Singaporean customer, we are Ise Shima company. Nobody knows Ise Shima. Even though Ise Shima is very, very popular in Japan, then additionally, as a birthplace of the culture, is the first place we are performing starting in the world. But most of the people don't know yet. Ise Shima has many islands and deep inlets. Because of the deep inlets and near the mountain, we have a really good plankton as well. So it's calm and clean water, and also is really fatty for the oyster. That's why it's good for the pearl farming. And then because of the female diver also origin there, so they are the first one to farm for natural Akoya Pearl. Pearl farming is a really tough job. Whole pearl production, only less than 28% can be used as a jewelry. Less cannot be used as jewelry. Then only can produce one piece of the pearl after so many years. So yeah, for 4 to 5 years. We have a typhoon every year. Then that time we have to shift the location. So we have to take off the oyster. Then we just move to different place to try to protect the oyster. So it's really, really tough job. So we have to cleaning, processing, grading, and making jewelry. Whole process we have to do for one by one. Even now, a computer was developed, but still, all the pearl is evaluated by human's eye. So this process, we need to touch more than 3,000 times. We have to touch a pearl. It's a really long process. Many people in Asia couldn't differentiate for freshwater pearl or seawater pearl or Akoya Pearl. So they just thought maybe because of the Japanese pearls, they're just expensive. But within Akoya Pearl, is so many price difference. That's why maybe if I share for our knowledge, maybe I feel that still has a big potential in Asia. I start to explain how to differentiate the pearl, what is a pearl value. Whole gemstone, diamond, any other gemstone, this is natural resource. But pearl is a culture. Even though depend on the nature, still we can produce together with humans' love and for attention. That's why it's not the same as for other gemstones. Before the COVID-19, it's because of the global warming. Already Akoya oyster, 80% of Akoya oyster was died for last year. Then this year, COVID-19. Then Ise Shima is one of the most famous tourist spots for the Japanese in Japan. So whole year, normally many Japanese tourists. But because of COVID-19, nobody wanted to travel anymore, even within Japan. That's why it's really, badly affected. So that's why I feel that maybe, I have to promote my hometown, Ise Shima, as a name. It's a jewelry school in Singapore, like NAFA, LAFUS, JDMIS, we talk to them. Then I explain about the pearl. Then we organize this event. Then we surprise Akoya Pearl. Then that for the students or graduate for designer or some designer to create a pearl jewelry. Then we do an exhibition. Then we do a voting. Then we find out what's awarded. For the past 33 years, my parents also funded for couples for students for the educational plan. My company staff also sends the money to them. Then we employ for one Filipino staff after graduate. Then she just came to Japan for 3 years back. So we have one Filipino. I don't think we can survive just waiting in Ise Shima. Ise Shima is a dream destination for the Japanese. So that's why, yes, many people wanted to travel to Ise Shima. So since I take over my family business, I have to find out for the way for us to survive. That's why I started to overseas business. Then I opened the shop in Singapore. Actually, I really didn't want to take over my family business. It's not my intention because my dad also didn't expect. Then my parents is getting older, nobody take over. Then we have a staff. No choice, I have to take over. But actually, I was a backpacker when I was a student. So I traveled with backpack more than 25 years back. So cross over for Eurasia continent from Asia to Europe by land 3 times. So I love to middle of nowhere, or I love to the village. So I wanted to work there actually. That's why I decided, okay, this project should be part of my dream and should be part of my passion to take over my family business. That's why I started this project as a part of my company.